Greetings! I'm Iris Matthews, a romance author. Lo and behold, there's another call. This time, it is a call for pitches from the reigning juggernaut of category romance, Harlequin. Remember from the Going to Great Lengths video that category books fall between novellas and full-length novels. In this case, Harlequin is asking for stories that are 50,000 words, and the call is for billionaire romances. Yeah, apparently billionaire romance is still a thing. We'll get into that in a moment, but first, what is a pitch again? As I've mentioned before, an elevator pitch is a super short sentence or two hook about the book's premise. But what Harlequin wants is a 500-word nutshell with an intro to the main characters, setting, basic plot, and the romantic conflicts. If, and only if, you already have a manuscript like this, then head over to writeforharlequin.com by Thursday, April 10th, 2025. I don't have any affiliation with Harlequin, and I'm not advocating for billionaires or billionaire romances, but I wanted to share the news. And this is as fine an opportunity as any to introduce another regularly reread book we'll deep dive into soon. The Most Eligible Billionaire by Annika Martin. This is the first book in the Billionaires of Manhattan series and was originally published in 2017, several years after 50 Shades started the big billionaires trend. Annika Martin's book is a full-length novel, so it wouldn't qualify for Harlequin's call, although it does hit on one of the three topics of interest for them right now, as it's a New York City workplace romance with enemies to lovers. The other topics they're asking for are fake dating with Mediterranean destination wedding and a Greek billionaire, and Cinderella's Second Chance royal romance set in a fictional Mediterranean kingdom. So only the first topic is of interest in this current climate. And I think the Most Eligible Billionaire is especially worthy of talking about at this time. What I'll say for now is that an essential part of billionaire romances is the humbling of the hero, making him transform and become open-minded and an active participant in changing society. We'll dig in more soon.